What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Dareu A950 Pro. This is a tri-mode wireless gaming mouse and this one supports 4 kHz polling rate. Well, as usual, we'll start from unboxing and then we will talk about the mouse and we will talk about its performance. But before everything, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Well, this is a 8-core mouse which weighs only 55 grams. This mouse actually is a feather light one. I really like this design, not only because of its lightweight, but also due to its ergonomics. The design language is really very nice. When I put my palm on this mouse, when I use this mouse for a longer period of time, I have never felt like any fatigue has generated. This one offers utmost comfort and the buttons, the button placements are really very good. This mouse comes with 4 buttons. We'll talk about the buttons soon, but the placement of the button is the first thing that has made me feel super happy. The buttons are made with PBT materials and the surface texture, this matte finish, this is actually a sweat and wear resistant, and also even after using this mouse for hours after hours, you won't feel sweaty and the mouse will never become oily. Well, this mouse is equipped with Sky Black GM 8.0 mouse buttons. These buttons or switches are carefully developed with precise adjustment aftermarket feedback so that every micro movement is crisp and clicky. It only requires 0.2mm trigger distance, which meets every gamer's pursuit of rapid tapping at the same time without double strike phenomena. So the buttons are great. Well, there are 2 other buttons on the left side of the mouse which sits right under the thumb. The buttons are placed on the correct position, so we don't need to stretch our thumb to reach for the buttons. One is a forward button and another is a backward button. These buttons are very helpful. Sometimes when I'm surfing or working on different documents, this button works perfectly fine. Okay, this is a tri-mode gaming mouse. So let's talk about that tri-mode thing. We actually can connect this mouse to our computer or laptop or tablet through 3 different modes. There is this Bluetooth mode which supports Bluetooth 5.1. In Bluetooth mode, by default, it supports 1200 dpi, but if we want, we can cycle through 800 or 1600 dpi. There is another mode that is 2.4 GHz wireless switch. This one comes with a dongle which supports 4K polling rate. We'll talk about that 4K thing later, but let me show you clearly. Just slide the button upward, put it on the 2.4 GHz mode, and the mouse is ready to be used. In 2.4 GHz mode or in wired mode, we can cycle through 400, 800, 1600, 3200, and even 6400 dpi. We can also use this mouse using a USB-A to USB-C wire, that is the wired mode. And if you really want to recharge your mouse and use the mouse at the same time, then I think that's a very good option. Well, to pair the mouse through Bluetooth, it's very easy. Just slide down the slider to Bluetooth and then press for 3 seconds on the Bluetooth button. The mouse will appear on laptop or tablet. Select the mouse and it's ready to go. When the mouse is in Bluetooth pairing mode, the LED light will blink in blue color. When it's paired, the LED light will go dim. This LED light is a RGB light, but it's not for fun. When we cycle through the DPIs, different DPIs actually represents through different type of colors on this LED light, so we can understand which DPI we are using. Well, before we talk about the internals, the chipset, the battery, the polling rate, the optical sensor, there are 2 other things I need to mention. The first among those 2 is the scroll wheel. The wheel actually offers a very good tactile feedback. Every single movement offers a very nice clicky feelings. So scrolling through a web page or any document, it's really very nice and precise. The second thing is the bottom part of the mouse actually comes with 4 rubber pads, which offers very fluid and smooth movement. With these rubber pads, it actually offers a very easy and smooth movement. Now, let's talk about the internals. Let's talk about the performance. Well, this A950 wireless gaming mouse comes with a 4K dongle. I have already shown this. And what does that mean to general users? Well, this mouse is equipped with a high wireless polling rate of 4000 Hz. That means the transmission speed between the mouse and to its host, maybe it's a computer, a laptop, or a tablet, is as fast as 0.25 millisecond. This mouse can transmit signal to its host within 0.25 millisecond. That makes the mouse much more accurate and offers a very smooth user experience. Not only that, this mouse is also equipped with a PAW3395 high-performance optical sensor. This sensor offers excellent accuracy and can capture the minute movement of the mouse and accurately synchronizes to the computer pointer without losing a single frame. So when we are playing games, especially when we are in an online game, this type of fast synchronization, precise movement lets us win a very difficult battle. This P3395 optical sensor has a very good 650 IPS tracking speed and 50G acceleration. So if you know about gaming mouse, then you'd understand only a very high-end gaming mouse would have this optical sensor, and having that in this gaming mouse, which comes with a very good price tag, makes it a very good value for money device. The next thing is, this mouse is equipped with a Nordic 52833 SoC. This is actually a Bluetooth controller chipset from Nordic Semi, and this one supports long distance mode and offers improved stability of transmission, also improves accuracy according to users' pattern or behavioral pattern. Also, this chipset reduces any risk of frame skipping. So yeah, great optical sensor along with a high-end MCU and 4 kHz polling rate. What else do you expect? Okay, what else I expect is actually very long battery life. Well, Dareu A950 Pro comes with 300 mAh battery inside, and that battery offers around 150 hours of usage time. Once the battery is fully refueled, I have managed to squeeze between 146 to 156 hours of playtime. Actually, it depends. It depends between usage pattern, it depends between connection mode. Well, considering that we are going to use this mouse for 6 hours a day, we are going to play heavy intensive games for 6 hours a day, then in 4K polling rate mode, we will be able to use this mouse for 3 days. In 1K polling rate mode, we will be able to use this mouse for 7 days. I have managed to squeeze up to 8 days, and in Bluetooth mode, I have able to extract between 29 to 32 days. And now there is another thing, as this mouse is compatible with many different systems like Windows, Mac OS, iPad OS. So yeah, we can switch between 3 devices without being needed to pair it again and again to different devices. That actually adds convenience to life. Well, before I wrap up, I need to mention this. Not only me, my girlfriend Thea is also in love with this mouse. Nowadays, she doesn't even let me use this mouse. So yeah, I have already ordered one for myself too. Okay, after using this mouse for almost a month now, I can say without any hesitation, this mouse actually comes with a very good price per performance ratio and offers a very good value for money. I think this is a dream mouse for the gamers who wanna get the best yet don't wanna spend a lot. Well, that's all about this Dareu A950 Pro Tri-Mode Wireless Gaming Mouse. Considering the price, this one is one of the best in its segment. This one offers a very good value for money. If you have watched through this video, then you already know that this one offers one of the best performance in its segment. If you are a hardcore gamer, if you are looking for a very nice gaming mouse, then I think Dareu A950 Pro is the one that you should go for. Well, I have left a link in the description box below, go ahead check the product. But before that, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.